today is the second video of the day, I know, but we just got confirmation on what our choices are going to be for the Boxycharm Base Box for October. So you know your girl wanted to pop on here and help you guys out if you haven't made your choices yet. Today that I am filming this is Monday, September 14th, which is of course early access for all premium and luxe members as well as waitlist members too. Tomorrow, September 15th, is when it does open up for Base Box members. And of course, add-ons is now live and it will be available to Base Box members starting tomorrow as well. Hope all of that made sense. Anyways, guys, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess, and it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox makeup, we review makeup, we try on makeup, we talk about makeup, and we remember, y'all, it is in fact just makeup, and your girl is always uploading over here. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because Monday through Friday you may get 5, 6, I don't know, a ton of videos. Saturday and Sunday, I've been popping up some videos over there too. So there's always something to watch. Anyways, if you do decide to stick around, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I greatly appreciate it. We are almost at 30K. There is a giveaway going on over on Instagram. We are almost at 10K over there. I'm super excited about that. So if you would, after this video, please hop over to my Instagram and give me a little follow and a couple likes. I'd greatly appreciate it. Okay, let's go ahead and jump on into what the choices are for the October Base Box. Okay guys, so like I said, all of these choices that we are going to go over is for the October Base Box. Now the Base Box is $25 a month. It is a monthly subscription and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies. Now, I have done a couple sneak peek spoiler videos for you guys talking about some of the items that we have gotten confirmation from Joe, which is the CEO and owner of Boxycharm. However, with that being said, we were not 100% sure what items were going to be choice items, except the one item I did tell you guys I felt strongly was going to be a choice item is in fact a choice item for the October Base Box, and this is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. Now, there is, I told you guys, there was going to be, I felt like, a nice array of choices as far as shade matching went. There is a total of 30 shades, I believe it is, that you can choose from if you are close to my complexion. I use the shade 18, which is a medium tan. I have it on today. It is a super comfortable concealer, which I do feel like if you have mature skin such as myself, I'm 42 years old, I think you're really going to enjoy this concealer. You don't need a lot of the concealer, and it is absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It does have a retail value of $24, and of course this was one of the choices. Moving on to the next item that we did see, which has me a little on the fence because I'm like, do I want this one or do I want the other one? But the next item we are seeing that is a choice that is available is the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Concealer. Now, I'm pulling this information from Sephora's website, and it does have a retail value of $40. Now, a little information about this. This is a highly active cleanser with a trio of exfoliating acids and jojoba skin polishing beads for revitalizing skin. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm very intrigued by this. You guys know Murad is a wonderful, wonderful skincare line, and I love AHAs and BHAs. Get that dry gunk, exfoliate that off your skin. It's a cleanser that revitalizes skin by gently exfoliating and polishing away the dullness. 3 exfoliating agents, salicylic acid, lactic acid, and glycolic acid, help to reveal a younger looking skin by loosening the dulling buildup of skin surface. The jojoba beads polish away the debris, dryness, and roughness, while moisturizing agents. Sodium PCA attracts water to the skin. It's a bunch of scientific-y sounding things that sound absolutely amazing. And so there is that choice. That is the second choice. And yes, you guys, I am blown away because I honestly thought when I did the earlier spoilers for you guys, like I said, I felt like this was going to be a choice, but then I was starting to think that maybe that Tarte setting spray was going to be an option, as well as the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette. Turns out it looks like that is just going to be a variation, because the next item that we see in here that is going to be a choice item is by Farsali. Now this is actually the item that I did go with, but this is also available as an add-on for like $9. So this item is the Farsali, is it Prive Quench or Prive Quench? I don't know. You guys know that grammar is not my forte. Anyways, a little information about that. It says the serum that helps to replenish moisture in the skin by using a unique complex of low and high molecule weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecule weights of hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. You guys, this sounds absolutely amazing, and of course right off the bat that was the item that I picked, and then I moved on to add-ons, and then what do you know, that was something that I can choose. So as far as the Farsali, it does have a retail value of $24. Now the last item that we did get to choose from was actually a makeup product, which I like the fact that he gave us two things to choose from, two makeup choices and then two skincare choices. Let me know you guys' thoughts on that down below. The next item we had a choice of is the Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. This does have a retail value of $28, and again, it looks really nice. You have a highlight, a blush, and it looks to be a bronzer in here, and those were the choices. And you guys, I'm telling you, the add-ons are absolutely insane. So if you want to consider getting in there early, because that was one of the whole reasons that I signed up for BoxyLuxe, because you guys, are you listening to this? They have the Biro Essence Toner available, at least at the time that I am filming this, as well as the Tomato Serum as an add-on for 12 bucks. 12 bucks. Did I stock up? Yes. Why? Because I have been using the Essence Toner every single day, twice a day. I love it on my skin. My skin loves it. And then, as you guys know, I signed up for the BoxyLuxe, and I did get the Tomato Serum. I have been using that every day, and it is so comfortable. It's almost like there's a hydrating benefit to it, not just a brightening benefit to it. So that was actually an add-on as well, so I did go ahead and pick that up. I've got so many thoughts in my head, guys, so many flipping thoughts. So if you want to go ahead and sign up for BoxyCharm, I will have a link down below for you guys in the description box, as well as I will pin it in the comment section below. That is an affiliate link, so I will earn a little bit of a commission if you do decide to sign up using that, and I do want to thank you guys in advance. You guys, the add-ons were insane, and you guys were even making comments, because of course if you follow me and you are subscribed, I did post letting you guys know that choice options were now open and live for premium and luxe members. And like I said, it is going to be opened up for everybody else starting tomorrow. So it will be open tomorrow, as well as the add-on store will be available tomorrow. If you guys are curious by chance what I have on my eyes, I did go a little bit on the colorful side today. I'm actually playing around with the Queen palette by Eloise. And this was one that we got in our premium, and some did see it in our Luxe box for September. And I do have some of my COPYCAT Cosmetics Soft Natural palette on as well with it. You guys know I love this little palette. You can save 10% with code HOTMESS10 over at COPYCAT Cosmetics. So anyways, guys, let me know your choices down below. And now we see that it is going to be a variation as far as the Tarte setting spray goes and the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette goes. There's so many amazing things, and you guys, just letting you guys know, some of the spoilers that we are seeing coming up has me so crazy excited. Natasha Denona, yeah, I said it, you're gonna see it. I'm pretty excited about it. So like I said, let me know your thoughts, your opinions down below. What did you end up choosing? And like I said, this is open right now, September 14th, for premium and luxe, as well as waitlist members, and then tomorrow it opens up for everybody else. You can shop, you can make your choice, and I'm pretty excited about it. I feel like overall, all of the choices are really, really good. Like I said, I already have the Dose of Colors concealer. That's the only reason why I didn't choose that. I know I love Murad products, And as far as the Farsali goes, I haven't had any issues with Farsali. I do really like them. And the Real Her, I think it's good to choose that little trio if you are looking to grow and add to your makeup collection. I don't think any of the choices are bad whatsoever. So anyways, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Like I said, I am trying to get to that 30K and 10K over on Instagram, so I'd love if you guys could jump over there as well and enter into that giveaway. I'll have that all linked down below for you guys as well. If you guys are curious, this is actually a dress that I have on today. It is another Glitzy Girl boutique fashion, because you guys know that's one of my favorite places to be shopping. So I'll link my dress down below for you guys as well. I think it's part of their fall collection, and the nice thing is this actually comes in regular size and curvy girl size as well, so we love that for me. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.